In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Grammarly Premium in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a student polishing your essays or a professional ensuring your emails are error-free, Grammarly Premium offers a suite of advanced writing tools that can enhance your writing prowess. So let's get started with the activation process. First, open your web browser and go to Grammarly.com. If you don't already have an account, click on Sign Up, but if you're returning, just click Login and enter your credentials. It's important to ensure that you're logged in with the account you wish to upgrade to Premium to avoid access issues later. Once logged in, navigate to the Admin panel, which you can find in the top right corner next to your account icon. Under this panel, click on Your Account and then select Subscription from the drop-down menu. This section is where you'll manage all your subscription details and changes. Next, you'll want to click Update Plan, or you can head over directly to the pricing page if you prefer. Here, you'll see the subscription plans available: monthly, quarterly, or annual. Each offers different levels of commitment and savings. Choose the plan that best fits your needs and usage habits. For frequent users, the annual plan might offer the best value, while occasional users may prefer the flexibility of the monthly option. After selecting the plan that suits you, click Get Started. This will lead you to the payment page. Here, you'll enter your payment details. Make sure to double-check your information for accuracy, as this is crucial to avoid any processing delays. If you encounter any issues here, many find using a major credit card or PayPal to be the most straightforward methods. Once you've input all necessary details, proceed to complete the purchase. Upon successful payment, you'll receive a confirmation email within a few minutes, and the premium features will be automatically activated in your account. These features include advanced grammar checks, style improvements, and a plagiarism detector, just to name a few. And there you have it. Activating Grammarly Premium is that simple. With these new tools at your fingertips, you'll likely notice a significant improvement in the quality and clarity of your writing. If you encounter any hitches during the process, Grammarly's support page or contact line is readily available to assist you. Thank you for following along today. I hope this guide has been helpful in making the process smooth and easy. Enjoy exploring all the benefits of your new Grammarly Premium account. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more how-to guides and tips. Happy writing!